Alright, hey YouTube. Yeah, I am gonna do a progress. If you guys can't see that, that's 665K to go till 97. I've been working on other logs like all day besides work, but yeah, here's my little progress. What's going on? Um, yeah, I'll just show you the other logs right here. I got 914. I'm gonna wait until double XP weekend because these should go up at that time because of like fire making and fletching. Um, yeah, and then I might do some runs. I'm thinking about selling a couple of those, but or I can find something else in my bank to sell, like these mithril bars, these water orbs, uh, runite ores. Yeah, just some random crap that I have in my bank. Um, yeah, probably do some of those runs. Oh, I didn't even know I had these diamonds in here. Those might be worth something. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, it's kind of loud in the background because my heater's working. It probably just now kicked down. Yeah, if you guys see anything that's probably worth something, like hit me up. Like I don't see anything in here that's worth anything really. Um, Water orbs. That's all I can really see in the runite. Holy crap! I didn't even know I forgot my top hat. I'm just gonna put that on. Looking good. Looking good. I wonder how much that thing's even worth if I go and... I'm gonna go find out. We'll just run from there. I just gotta go uncolor it real quick. I'd like to get like 150K off of it. But then I don't really gotta go sell anything for, cause I got this, I got the mining level to go get my own pure essence. I could do that, just keep it the way it is. Yeah, I got a couple of dollars. That was because, or a couple of gold coins, because of treasure hunter. I didn't want some stuff on there. So yeah, I'm gonna run over here real quick and see what I can do. See if I can get, I don't know. I want 150K for it, but or 350. I don't know. It depends how low it is, and I'm just gonna keep it in the Grand Exchange until it sells. Where's my dun, 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 dun. I hope I'm going the right way on this. There it is. Pull that off. Talk to this person. Oh, here we go. Open shop. Where the hell is this? Oh, hell, wrong button. It was right there. I hope it doesn't log me out now. Cool. Recolor. Original color. Thank you. I'll probably color it again. Oh, I need to get rid of it. Alright, so we're gonna go throw that in for 300k. If it doesn't sell overnight, because I'm gonna be going to bed here in a minute. You know, it's already 6:24 a.m. So yeah, as I said, I was working at those other logs all damn night. They're worth, like, I don't know. I can do a price check for you guys right now. I'm just gonna throw this top hat in here first, and then I'll price check that for you guys. 300k. Put it in there. Keep it in there. Don't do anything with it. Don't touch it. Okay.
Joel told Jack that he's the one who killed your family. Can you describe inside of the house, where he was, how he did it, what happened?
313, because I want to leave it. Blah, blah, blah. You guys probably know already. Yeah, just, oh, that number just makes me angry because I've been working at it all day, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep all my other logs because it's gonna, eventually they're gonna go up, you know, like, they're gonna go up, I hope to at least 5k or more by double XP weekend. Yeah, I got these, when I go in. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go get some pure essence for myself instead of buying them. Just keep everything that I have so far. Yeah, really kind of angry, but that's just how life goes, I guess. Well, it's basically just over these other logs that I'm most angry about right now, because I've been working all damn day at that. And I'm pretty sure if I would have worked all day on mining some pure essence and doing rune runs, I would have made more. I'd be doing cosmetic runes right here, these runes. I'd be doing those. I'd be doing runs of those because I can make 2 for 1 pure essence. So it's gonna, you know, it adds on to itself quite a bit, you know. So, and then I'll just keep on, you know, selling them. You know, it won't be like, I'll make videos of me selling them, so then you guys know I ain't like buying bonds or something stupid. You know. I'm gonna do a full rebuild, you know. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. I hope you guys can't hear my TV in the background. That wouldn't be very good. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep, and I hope my top hat sells. If it sells, I will make a video of that too or something. Actually, I'll just take the money, and you guys will know where it's from. I'm sure, because it's only gonna be like 300k extra in my thing. So, um, yeah. So you guys have a good day. Yeah. All right.